What's up, y'all? It's Jordan with another video from North American Adventures. Today, I'm at the Conlin family farm again, and we're going to be doing a multitude of things today. We got to get some benches set up for beehives, which are coming in the next couple weeks. We got to get the boat pulled out. We got to get the boat cleaned up. Hopefully, we'll hit the water and do some fishing today. So stay tuned. It should be a good day.
Wasting time and wasting money. You've been acting like a fool. You spend your whole life fighting for a guarantee, and all you really need is a friend.
Nice. Alright, the platforms for the bees are all set up. Now all I need is the hives. Come over here. Check out where we're keeping all our supplies. Oh, she needs a cleaning.
Pretty rotted. So what we're gonna do here, we'll get that zip saw, we'll just cut that out. This is 2x4, throw it in. Good.
Yeah, hello, Peter. Yeah. Yeah.
Double layered plywood.
Hey, there's a good light shining in you. There's a magic in your eyes. Hey,
I'm only grabbing these.
Okay.
Only. Wait, who wants to sponsor it? To let in a worm zone so it's big.
Yep. Yeah, good job.
Come on, let's do the worm.
Okay. What you got there, bud?
Fishing license.
Oh. You mean an official license?
Fishing license.
Possibly one. I saw it was an alligator.
An alligator?
Yeah. Some sort of different kind.
Just go fish up right along that bank there.
You hope you catch a pike?
No, I mean a baby pike.
Oh.
I'm just wondering why the water's not blue. That's a big one.
Yeah, that's perfect for you. There.
This is a big one.
Okay, you're watching your bobber, right?
Yep. I got my viewer saying if it's a little bite.
Okay, and don't reel in unless you see that bobber go down, okay?
Yeah! Forrest, you say woo!
Get all of them out. I did all of them out. Ah, this is a flipper one. What about this guy? What that guy? There's another one, Norman. This one's the winnable for sure.
Oh yeah, he's like a little jumper worm.
Yeah. Ah! No worries.
Midnight angel, blue-eyed baby, you're the queen of my afternoon. Roller coaster, rock and roller, you are the perfect melody. I got nothing but trouble, baby, you got nothing but time, and so we got two hearts beating for a good ride. California, east of Eden, I wish that I could read your mind. Wildflower, oh, you're a loose cannon. In the dark, you are the brightest light.
He's my friend. Yes, I never learned to know.
Oh, he's gonna go for a swim right now.
No, he's not.
You don't want him on here?
No.
You want to be done with the question here, I know.
No.
Pick me a worm then.
Okay, I want to work on Norman.
Okay, take one for mine.
Two hearts beating for a good ride.
The boys are headed out. The boys, excuse me, and the animal.
What the heck?
Hey, don't say that. So yeah, we're just headed out. Nothing.
What the?
We didn't catch anything
What
today.
the heck? What the heck?
And we're just headed back.
So we got too hot speeding for a good ride.
Hello. Okay, we are just finishing up for today. It's been a long day, but really fun. Didn't catch any fish on our little excursion, but we did manage to mess up our boat trailer, so that was nice. But otherwise, we had a really good time. Forrest had a great time on the water, and we also had a great time setting up those bee benches for the beehives for next week, and just getting that boat ready for the summer season. So thank y'all for stopping by, for coming along. And make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe if you like the content. Hit that bell for notifications, and I will see y'all in the next one. Peace.